Now, today my lecture is to discuss about the three-digit number. So, title of my lecture will be number of three digit. As you know that the three-digit number starts from the 100 and goes up to 999. So, you can say this from 100 to 999. To continue my lecture, first I will discuss about warm-up. And I have already discussed, but I am reminding the students to get their mind fresh. For example, first, one-digit number. Basically, conventionally, people say that one-digit number is from 1 to 9, but from my point of view, it is from 0 to 9. From 0 to 9. And what are the number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And be careful, these 10 digits, if you form any number, only these 10 digits will come into the picture, including 0. So now I have again repeating, what is the number of the digits? Total number of the digits. Total numbers of digits. Digits is equal to 9. That is very, very important to start with the any math based on counting. Now, second point is two-digit number. Numbers. And I have already told you, start from 10 to 99. I will not write all the number, but 10, 11, 12, and it goes up to 97, 98, and 99. And I have also said the first digit is ones, second digit is tens. So ask the students always to write any number of two digit OT. 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 Now if I have already explained, if you count the number of total number from 10 to 99, total numbers of two digit is equal to 90. I have already explained this one, so I am not explaining further. Because our emphasis is on three-digit number, so all the questions related with three-digit number, addition, subtraction will be done. And three-digit number numbers After 99 it will be 100. 100, 101, 102, and it will come to, I will tell you, and it will go up to 997, 998, and 999. I will tell you what is the total number of 3 digits. Total number of 3 digits. And see the pattern. Here there is no zero. In 1 digit, no zero. In 2 digits, there is 1 zero. So similarly, in 3 digits, there will be 2 zero. Means 900. And I'll ask you to count this number. But first I am going to tell you how to write the number from 100 to 199. So I think this space will be, so I will just delete this one, warm up part. अब देखिए, so I am writing, you can say 3 digit number. So as the student should leave some space left hand side, some space right hand side, some top and some bottom to understand the 3 digit number properly. So just write 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then draw a line. I have done same thing for 2 digits. So I am repeating for 3 digits to understand properly. After 10, 11 comes into picture. 11, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times and 10 times. Here it seems to be vertical line, but ask the students to understand it is 11. Then after 11, 12, 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And for convenience, I'll rewrite 2. Some space left. 13, 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why I am doing? You also ask the student to do the same thing, so it will have the practice. After 13, 14 comes into the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. After 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Remember, 1 digit number, generally people say 9 digit, but I am referring including 0, 10. So 10 is very, very important. 10 times is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Again 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ask the student to write the big number in size. Then 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. लाइन ड्रा करिए और फिर इसको आप यहां पर एक या लाइन यहां डाल दीजिए और फिर इस लाइन को मिला दीजिए और नीचे वाले लाइन को भी मिला दीजिए. I think there should not be problem to write from 10 to 19. अब देखिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is 10 column and the number from 10 to 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means 10 by 10 is a square. So you can also make a square by drawing another line, but I am not going to do this thing. But those who doesn't understand, children, teacher should ask them to do it. अब देखिए अब इसके बाद क्या करना है? Very simple, because one digit number starts from 0 to 9. So you have to write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 only. So this gives 10 digits, and this is ones, tens, and 100. Because there are 3-digit number is more than 1, and because of it is hundreds. I will explain later on. Now here again do the same thing. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. अब देखिए यहाँ पर मुझसे भी गलती हो गई, तो इसको थोड़ा मैं करेक्ट कर रहा हूं. क्या गलती हो गई कि हमने यहां पर 0 मिस कर दिया. इसलिए 10 समझना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान रख लीजिएगा. जो है फॉर एवरी टीचर आई एम सेइंग, दिस इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ chalk and board. Teachers can do also mistake, but the best teacher is those who can realize their mistake. Right here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 10 number is very, very important. 0 to 9. Also, this is very 11 to 99. That's also important. 10 to 99, because 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it will go up to 99. Here just see 0, clear? अब जब देखिएगा, now from 100 to 109, 199, what are the total number? So अब देखिए, इसको काउंट करेंगे तो यहाँ पर 10 नंबर होगा, 10 नंबर यहाँ नंबर होगा, 10 यहाँ होगा, 10 यहाँ होगा। इसको थोड़ा एक्सटेंड कर दीजिए तो जिससे आपको डिफरेंस पता चल जाए कि हर कॉलम में 10 नंबर है। See, these are the small kids. So the system or the teacher should be in such a way that this will be understood by the teacher. So what is this? This is the total number of 3-digit in one column. COLUMN. अब एक 10 10 10 तो यहां पर कितना हो जाएगा? अगर इसको जोड़िएगा 10 10 जा 100। अब ये होगा 100 to 109, 110 to 119, और ये जो नंबर होगा 100 to 199। ये चीज को बहुत आपको ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा। जो है यहाँ पर टोटल है। अब देखिए, आई हैव आल्सो डिफाइंड ऑड एंड इवन नंबर। सो द नंबर विच कंटेन्स 0 इज अ इवन नंबर, राइट? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. And the number which contains 1 odd. In 2-digit also I have said this thing. I am repeating for 3-digit because this question in class 2 for odd and even, that means all the number along this row. This is row and this is the column. So this is row and this is the column. Because I said that left some space here and upward. Now ask the student to write here OTH. 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 इसमें समय लगता है पढ़ाने में भी, पढ़ने में भी, समझने में। स्मॉल किड्स है तो इसलिए इनको बार बार मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं कि आप उनसे कहें कि लिखें OTH, 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 और यहां पर कर दीजिए OTH। तो one thing they should understand, anything which will be right in the horizontal way, horizontal way, इसको क्या कहेंगे? रो। Anything written here vertical, ये वर्टिकल है, इसको क्या बोलेंगे? कॉलम। बाद में यूज करना है, शुरू में ही बता दीजिए। हॉरिजॉन्टल को रो कहते हैं, वर्टिकल को कॉलम बोलते हैं। अब देखिए, अब और एक पॉइंट मैं बता रहा हूं, देखिए, और ये भी ध्यान रखिएगा, फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, इट इज इंक्रीजिंग. मैं एरो बना रहा हूं और इसको बोलते हैं असेंडिंग और इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. इन रो डायरेक्शन इट इज इंक्रीजिंग. देखिएगा, और यहां पर भी ये इंक्रीज कर रहा है. ascending and increasing. And it will go up to here. अब बताइए, अब यहां से यहां क्या होगा, ये भी इंक्रीज कर रहा है. दिस इज आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग और ascending. अब देखिएगा, एवरीबॉडी नो, द स्टूडेंट शुड नो इंक्रीजिंग एंड डिक्रीजिंग आर ऑपोजिट टू ईच अदर. सो अगर आपको यहां पर डिक्रीजिंग लिखना होगा, यू आस्क द स्टूडेंट्स टू राइट. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग वन एग्जांपल. अब ये डायरेक्शन इंक्रीजिंग का है, तो डिक्रीजिंग का क्या होगा, ये डायरेक्शन होगा. इसको डिसेंडिंग भी बोलेंगे. ऑर्डर और डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. Direction is this. Now, same way, you ask the students to draw the decreasing line opposite to this. I am just making this direction is a descending or decreasing order. Similar way, this is a decreasing and this is the decreasing. So ask the students to write all these things. So this table, it gives how to make a 3-digit number from 100 to 199. ध्यान सुनिएगा. And I will give some problem for students. Ask the students to prepare the following similar table. This is just for the practice. So I am, and also just say increasing order is also known as forward. I am forgetting forward. This is a forward. This is forward. This is forward. और फॉरवर्ड का उल्टा क्या होता है, बैकवर्ड. All this terminology should be written for the question which I am going to give you for students, children to prepare such table. Don't miss this table, otherwise you will not understand the meaning of increasing, decreasing, ascending, descending, forward, backward, row and column. So the question for practice I am giving you. I'll say that ask the student, ask students Then to prepare similar table tables कर लीजिए, because there is more than one tables. First, from 199, forward number is 200. 2 कितना होगा? 299. Then second, from 300 to 399. Third, from 400 to 499. Fourth, from 500 to 599. Sixth, from 600 to 699. Seven, from 700 to 799. 8, from 800 to 899. Or 9, from 900 to 999. This is very important. Now here, as I have shown, the total number from 100 to 199 was how much? It was 100. ठीक है? अब देखिए, it was 90, not 100. So here, write total number of 3 digits. So, and in all table, what I have made in the first table should be written: ascending, increasing, descending, decreasing, odd, even, and also the question is forward, backward. Because all this term, if they write 10 times, this will be remind their mind what is the meaning of this. Now, briefly I am telling you, again I am telling you, O stands for ones. Because there was more than one digit for one number. T stands for tens. ये बहुवचन है, plural. So 2 digits also is from 10 to 99, more than one. And H stands for hundreds. So that is all about 3-digit number, and I will end my lecture here to discuss how these numbers can be discussed in terms of the square in the next lecture. Thank you.